Good morning, student. Next topic is C identifier. C identifier represents the name in the C program. For example, variable, function, array, structure, union, labels, etc. An identifier can be composed of letters such as uppercase, lowercase letter, underscore, digit, but the starting letter should be either an alphabet or an underscore. If the identifier is not used in the external linkage, then it is called as internal identifier. If the identifier is used in the external linkage, then it is called as external identifier. We can say that an identifier is a collection of alphanumeric character that begins either with an alphabetical character or an underscore, which are used to represent various programming elements such as variable, function, array, structure, union, labels. There are 52 alphabetical characters, uppercase and lowercase, underscore character, and 10 numerical digits, that is 0 to 9, that represents the identifier. There is a total of 63 alphanumerical character that represents the identifier. स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ लिसन. आइडेंटिफायर क्या होता है कि जैसे सी प्रोग्रामिंग में हम वेरिएबल कैसे डिक्लेयर करना है, हम जब वेरिएबल फंक्शन डिक्लेयर करते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर डिक्लेयर करते हैं, दीज आर द रूल्स विच इज़ used for identifier, and it is also called as identifier. How to use the variable, functions, array, structure in uppercase, lowercase, alphanumerical value, alphabetical value. These are called as the C identifier. We can say that an identifier is a collection of alphanumerical character. The rules of constructing C identifier. The first rule is the first character of an identifier should be either an alphabet, means वो ABCD फॉर्मेशन में होना चाहिए, और an underscore. ठीक है, and then it can be followed by any of the character. Underscore, these are the keypad underscore. Okay, it can be followed by any character, digit, or underscore. It should not begin with any numerical digit. In identifier, both uppercase and lowercase letter are distinct. Therefore, we can say that identifier are case sensitive. Commas, जो भी हम वेरिएबल डिक्लेरेशन, जो भी हम आइडेंटिफायर यूज़ करेंगे वो केस सेंसिटिव रहेगा. मतलब मीन्स अगर थोड़ा सा भी, अगर हम अपर केस लोअर केस में अगर हम थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं तो इट गिव्स द एरर. commas or next point, commas or blank space cannot be specified within an identifier. Keywords cannot be represented as an identifier. Length of the character should not be more than 31 characters. Identifier should be written in such a way that it is meaningful, short, and easy to read. The examples of identifier, these are the examples, means it is the variable name, sum, total, sum, average, underscore m, underscore, these are also called as the variable declaration, sum, underscore 1, it is also used. Example of invalid identifiers, means it is not used in C programming, means starting of any function which does not include the numeric, that is the to sum, starts to sum, these are the invalid identifier. Int, reserve word, it is also invalid. Char, reserve word, it is also invalid. M plus n, special character, that is plus, it is also unused in identifier. So types of identifier, that are the two: internal identifier and external identifier. If the identifier is not used in the external linkage, then it is also known as an internal identifier. The internal identifier can be local variable. If the identifier is used in the external linkage, then it is known as an external identifier. If the identifier is not used in the external linkage, we have also later discussed what is meant by external linkage and internal linkage. So it is known as internal identifier. The internal identifier can be local variable. These are the variable declaration which is used in internal identifier. Then second point is the external identifier. If the identifier is used in the external linkage, then it is known as the external identifier. External identifier can be function, name, global variable. Okay, so these are the difference between keyword and identifier. Keyword is a predefined word, identifier is a user defined word. Identifier मीन्स वेरिएबल डिक्लेरेशन होता है. अगर हमको प्रोग्रामिंग में अगर हमको वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करना है तो उसके लिए हम प्रीडिफाइंड कीवर्ड यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम अपने मन से वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ ए, बी, सी, सम, एवरेज. दीज आर द यूजर डिफाइंड वर्ड्स. Second point is it must be written in a lowercase letter. It can be written in both lowercase and uppercase letter. It means is predefined in the C compiler. Its meaning is not defined in the C compiler. It can be combination of alphabetical character. It is a combination of alphanumeric character. Alphanumeric means some 2, some 1. These are the alphanumeric character, means alphabetic also used and number also used. It does not contain the underscore character in keyword and identifier. It can contain the underscore character. These are the difference between keywords and identifier. So if you have any doubt regarding the keywords, identifier, please ask me.